Hoy hoy shots edutainment.
Lalu and Peelu. Listen and enjoy this story. There was a hen, she had 2 chicks, Lalu and Peelu. Lalu was red, he loved red things. Peelu was yellow, he loved yellow things. One day Lalu saw something on a plant. It was red, he ate it up. Oh no, it was a red chilli. It was very hot. Lalu's mouth started burning. He screamed, Mother Hen came running. Peelu came too. Peelu said, I'll get something for you. Peelu brought a yellow laddu. Lalu gobbled up the laddu. His mouth stopped burning. Mother Hen and Lalu kissed Peelu.
Like, share, and subscribe now for more such edutainment videos.